guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be making like a compilation of stuff I'm doing over spring break, similar to a video I did a few months ago called Summer Days in My Life. I am at Anya's house right now and we decided to make like strawberry cream cheese puff pastries. So this is what they look like, but I'll show you guys like a closer thing soon. Our parents are out on a dinner. So in here we have like cream cheese frosting, and then we're making all these different shapes with the puff pastries and then putting strawberries on them, and we're gonna bake. It is 10 o'clock right now and our parents are still at dinner, so it's been like over 5 hours. We watched the movie, which was better than I was expecting, and then Anya had a class for an hour, and then we played foosball, ate the cream cheese stuff. Now we're in Anya's room, which is ginormous, and now we're just gonna talk because I don't even know when my mom's coming home. Tomorrow we will actually be going somewhere, so I'm definitely gonna film that, and I have like 3 more things that I'm doing this week, so I'll be filming all of that as well. So see you guys then. Today we are in Napa right now. We actually came here because we had a few errands to run and we just finished up. It's 12:05 and we decided to go to lunch, and it's at this golf club. It's called Lakeside Grill at Vintner's Golf Club, and it looks so pretty. They have like sandwiches and it just looks really cool. So that's where we're going right now. And also this morning I took Luke for a walk, and the lawn was recently mowed, so when he walked in it his feet became green. And we tried to wash it, but they're just green now. Like, it's not going away. Probably gonna take a few washes for it to come out, but it's just super adorable. So we got here a little while ago. It's 12:45. The view is literally gorgeous. We ordered 2 things. I ordered Maria's tostadas, and then my mom ordered a grilled chicken sandwich. And then for drinks, we just got water, like nothing special. So each dish came with like 2 of the items, so we're gonna switch so that I get one of my thing and one of hers, and she gets one of my thing and one of hers. So right now the tostada, I would rate it like a 7 out of 10. Amma, what would you rate your burger? 7 out of 10. Okay, now we're gonna switch and see like if our opinions are different or whatever. I changed my rating a little bit because the burger was definitely a 7 out of 10, but compared to it, the tostada was more like 6 or 6.5-ish. What did you think of the tostadas?
6 or 5.
6 or 5. Wow. Okay. These garlic fries though, I can't. They're so good. 11 out of 10. So it's 1:20. We finished eating and we're heading back home. I'm so glad we did this like fun lunch date thing because first of all, the views were amazing, and second of all, we got a little bit of work done beforehand. And this was a great way to start the week because I have like other fun plans coming up as well, and I'm really excited to spend time with my friends. And obviously I'm going to be filming all of that, so keep watching. That part reminded me of the other song, Into It, because there's like this trumpet part that goes doo doo doo. Wait, boo boo boo, boo doo doo doo, doo doo doo. Yeah, it'll come later in the song. The lyrics are changing. Oh, now it comes. This part. Hi guys, so it's Thursday, 2:35, and I'm about to go hang out with some of my friends. I'm hanging out with Asta, Kate, Mari, and Gia, and then obviously me. So there's 5 of us. I was gonna record on Tuesday too, but my plans for that day got canceled. But basically the plan for today is we're probably gonna like eat something or get a drink, and then one of us is bringing a volleyball because all of us have PE together. We are in the volleyball unit right now, and we're like almost the best team in our class. Like, we're basically the best team in the class. But we're gonna practice, right? So we're probably gonna go to the park afterwards and then practice a little. I'm so excited for you guys to meet Gia because she's like the love of my life. We're meeting in front of Starbucks, and I'll be there in like a couple of seconds. So I'll start filming again once I get there.
Yeah, we should do it.
Okay, this is Gia. She got a I don't know what that is.
Do you almost call it venti?
A grande mango dragon fruit, but she wants a bigger size. This is Kate. Kate, what did you get? Kate got a pink drink. No, she didn't. This is strawberry. Okay. And then Mari got the same thing. And then, oh my god, what is that? I don't know what that is, but
It's venti ice.
Brown sugar milk espresso.
I got a venti iced chai tea latte.
Look at the ID card.
Okay, so I'm not really sure what the plan is. I just know volleyball at a lake place, Target, food.
What was the question?
She said, why you, Kate?
Can we see it? Oh, this is basic.
So it's 3:30. We were just sitting in the grass talking, and I'm almost,
Chai latte.
I don't know, something about my drink. And now we're gonna get in the elevator and we're gonna go up to the roof.
It does.
Okay, so it's 3:50. We're at Target right now, and we're just kind of buying some stuff. I'm gonna buy solar water because, guys, my Sky High mascara, it won't come off because I got a waterproof for swimming.
Yourself?
We're just buying some stuff because my mascara, it's waterproof because of swimming, and it just won't come off, and I need my solar water. Oh, I'm with Asta and Gia, but I don't know where Kate and Kate and Mari, I don't know where they are. Gia got facial waxing strips. Can't find Kate and Mari. We tried calling them. I think they're hiding from us. I'm not really sure. So I guess we're gonna go on like a scavenger hunt.
Up to 60% longer lashes.
Oh.
Intense length.
Oh yeah. Asta got telescopic. So I need to pee so bad.
Mile on Monday.
Oh yeah. Finally found them. They're over there. They're ordering food. By the way, guys, the chicken Alfredo at Pizza Hut, so good. Literally love it. Me and Gia are gonna pay for our stuff and then also go to the bathroom.
I got candy.
I'm literally gonna
What did you get? Anything?
Same as her. Candy.
Okay.
Same.
And then Gia's holding it all in her Target bag.
What do you hold your phone like?
Ari also got a medium marinara, and apparently the Pizza Hut thing is not a hat.
Open pizza box.
That makes no sense to me.
Look, okay, look. Here is her. That's the crease. Yeah.
I don't believe it.
It kind of makes sense, but it also doesn't. There's a volleyball court here, so we're gonna practice.
Trash can ball.
I love trash can ball.
But before that, I will be giving you guys a 1-hour lecture.
Sorry, I mean, Time for a fit check.
Guys, I should switch to soccer.
Okay. Well, that's really hard to see. I have anklets.
I got bracelets. I used to like pee my pants until I was 10.
Can't even see me.
Is that on video?
Yeah, that was on video. I used to pee your pants till 4th grade.
Kate's leaving.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye, Kate. So it's 5:45. We're back at the mall. Should I call the mall? Our parents are gonna pick us up at 6, so we're just kind of chilling over here.
The only test of skin.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 6 o'clock. I am sweating like crazy, but we are on our way home. I think that's it for today, so I'll see you guys. Hi guys, so today is Sunday, the very last day of spring break, and I have one final plan. So it's 11:30 right now, and my friend Gargi is having a pool party at her house. It actually started at 11, but I had Telugu class and some stuff happened, so I'm going a little bit late. Basically, I'm wearing my swimsuit, shorts, and a jacket, and then I have like my towel and then after clothes packed. I'll be gonna be there until like 3 o'clock, maybe later, and I'm really excited because you guys saw Gia earlier in this video. She's gonna be there as well as a few other people that you guys might have seen before. I'm really excited for today, so I'll see you guys when I get there.
I fell off.
Me and Gia are in the hot tub, and then there's also the pool behind this.
Okay.
The gummy bears are actually gummy-like.
My name is Chicky, 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 Chicky. My name is Cha Cha, Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha. Chicky, 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 Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha. Chicky, 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 Clop, Clop, Cha Cha Cha.
My name is Boom Boom, Boom Boom Boom.
My name is
After party vlog.
Yeah, it's kind of all over the place. But what do? I didn't go in the pool because it was really cold.
Cause she's lame.
Because it was cold.
I
went into the hot tub. We played badminton.
We played
And then
volleyball.
we made TikToks. I don't know how many of them I can put on here because of guidelines,
Emily's
but I
not
have
taking
one.
that.
And also a lot of eating.
I think
My
all of
hair
us
looks
are
really
burnt,
nice.
Though.
Not me.
I am burnt.
I put on a lot of sunscreen. Gia left, Emily left, Kate left. Did anyone else leave?
No.
No. Her house is ginormous. Do you want to do a backyard tour?
Sure, go ahead.
Froggy's going to give us a house tour.
Pool,
This is the pool, yes.
hot tub, fire pit, umbrella.
I love the color of the pool. It's like a
Thanks.
greenish, bluish.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, these were our boundaries when we were playing.
Because Emily keeps cheating.
And then we use this as our
This
badminton
is actually
net.
supposed to be for the water.
Yeah, because we were playing
house.
volleyball in the pool too. Bathroom.
Yeah, and then here's the other boundaries. Here we have the pavilion / kitchen area.
Entire kitchen.
And then here we have the backyard with the other side of the backyard at least. And then a koi fish.
Oh yeah, your koi fish. I totally forgot about them.
Yeah, I got 2 more, so I've got 4. 4 little fishies.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So yeah, that's the backyard. Ta-da. We're gonna feed the fishes. Why is that yellow fish not getting any? That's sad.
Yeah, you're so racist.
Oh, seriously, the yellow guy can't float up. Maybe it's like a fin problem. Oh yeah, he does have a. Where's his other fin? Oh, it's right there.
Well, it's.
Oh.
Alright. Girl.
Hi guys. So after Gargi's party, we went home and freshened up. Right now it's 5:50, and we are going to IHOP for dinner. I was actually craving IHOP earlier this week, and since today's the last day of spring break, we decided to go. One thing I know for sure I'm ordering is a hash brown because I've also been craving. I feel like spring break has gone by so fast, and after this, we only have one holiday until the end of the school year, and it's not even a holiday. Like, not exactly. It's like we have a Monday off for a long weekend, but that is it. Like, nothing else. So it's just kind of crazy. My hair looks so good. Oh my goodness. Right there. Oh shit, no. I hope it's gone.
I hope it's gone. Are we sure?
Maybe it's another street
here?
down.
No. Check it out.
Yeah, we should probably look at the directions. We found it, guys. So I got a buffalo chicken melt, and it came with fries. My mom got a spicy poblano omelet, which came with the hash brown I wanted. So our tres leches pancake came, and guys, I don't think you understand how big this is. This is like 2 times the size of my burger. I don't even know if I can eat all of it. What did you rate the omelet?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, 10 out of 10. And then my sandwich was like a 9 out of 10. Hash brown, I'm sorry to say, it was a bit disappointing. I'm gonna give it a 3 because it's kind of dry. There's like nothing. What is this light? I'm sorry, guys. Now we have the pancake. We're gonna dig in. The whipped cream, just slide it off. Goodbye. But literally, okay, look how soft this is, okay?
4D.
Oh my goodness. What do you rate it?
8 out of 10.
My mom gave it an 8 out of 10, but I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. And that was my chaotic spring break. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.